we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. And to celebrate, we're gonna do something special. We're gonna take our family to an amusement park in Germany.
I love roller coasters. Us being us though, we're not gonna leave organization altogether. We're gonna plan this trip like we plan stuff to make sure that we and the kids get the most out of our day together in Germany. So here we go. What do we need to get ready? We're leaving at 6:30 tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because we're leaving so early, we're just gonna take the kids straight from bed to the car, and then we have to take a ferry, so they'll just change their clothes on the ferry. So we need to get their clothes ready.
Yep.
We need to get extra clothes ready because the weather report is not looking great.
Yeah, not the best time to go to an amusement park, but we're not letting that stop us.
No, shorter lines.
Shorter lines.
Exactly. So the clothes, entertainment for the car, plus snacks for the car. I need to get those ready.
Anya, we made banana bread. I mean, you made banana bread.
I mean, we made banana bread. And then, of course, make sure the diaper bag has everything in it that it needs to have in it. And all this we're going to put into the car tonight so that we're ready just to go tomorrow morning.
Stroller.
Yes.
And the rain cover for the stroller.
The rain cover for the stroller is already in there.
Yeah. What else?
We need to print the tickets so that we can actually get into the park.
Yeah, and on the ferry.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
So we'll do that as well. Other than that, I think it's just getting enough sleep.
Yeah. That might be tricky.
Wish us luck. That's for me. It looks so good. I'm not gonna eat anything now, although I really want to. We can't. We're gonna need these since we're going to a different country.
Okay, so we've gone through and got all the stuff together that we think we need. Is there anything else, if we think about the trip there, our day at the park, and going back in the evening?
Well, we will need their toothbrushes because we're gonna come home pretty late. And so we'll bring in toothbrushes and have them ready for the ferry ride back to get them all ready for bed.
Yeah.
But we will need a Sharpie. So we're gonna go up and get a Sharpie as well to bring so we can write our phone number on our kids' arms so that if they get lost, then people can call us. Seriously, I can do that.
We really need to get rid of some of those pens. Yep.
Yeah.
We also need to prepare our plan of attack once we get to the park. I mean, how are we going to do this to get as many rides in as possible during the time we're there? Christy, no, this is serious business. I don't think you're taking this seriously.
Nope.
Now, it might be very tempting when we get into the park to head over to this cluster, but this is where everybody else will go. So what we want to do is make it to the far side of the park and try to get in line before the bulk of the guests start moving. Now, what's important is that while we're making our way over, that we conserve energy. Brisk walk. We don't want to exhaust ourselves. It'll probably be good to split up. Maybe one of us can take the kids and go on some of these rides, but it's important to be efficient because the rest of the guests are going to bring their kids over here as well, and then they'll clog up the lines. We've got a few water rides. If we do get wet, we could always get on the drop tower and just get dried on the way down. Now obviously if it's raining, that's gonna backfire because we'll just be sitting in the clouds. We could probably push the kids for about 4 hours before they get hungry, and then we want to eat. The burger place we ate at. Okay, so this is all our stuff. Diaper bag, clothes, toothbrushes,
Snacks.
healthy snacks for the road. Are we bringing too much stuff?
No, I don't think so. We'll leave what we don't need in the car, so only bring the stuff we'll actually need for the park to the park.
Yeah, so the clothes and toothbrushes, for example, will stay in the car. We're not going to carry those around with us all day. That would be silly.
And the snacks will be gone. Just make a list of all the last things that we need to put in these bags tomorrow from the fridge and other places that are not here yet. And then we'll take it to the car tomorrow because it's too late now.
We're too tired.
That's great. Okay, we're all in the car. It is 6:45 and we've been driving now for 15 minutes. So, well actually,
We're
12
3
minutes.
late.
12 minutes. So, pretty good for a family of 6 now. So, how are you doing, kids?
Good.
They're all awake? Even this one? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna try and take a nap now. Okay, we are here and we are pretty much prepared for anything. I'm excited. Okay. Let's go.
I am so wet right now.
Got you covered.
Thanks. The water smells kind of funny too.
Here you go.
It is a bit nippy.
Ooh, I brought a candle. I forgot matches.
Why can't they react to us?
Yeah, I can't put this into words.
No.
We were just on I think the second tallest roller coaster in Europe. It's indoors. We get outside and it's drizzling a little bit, and then there's a rainbow. And then we realize, what? There's a double rainbow! What does this mean? And we're so high up in the air, it's almost like a full circle double rainbow. It was insane. This was a spiritual experience.
This mommy's ready to go home. Okay, we're back in the car. At least the girls are, and we changed our clothes and we are all snuggled up in blankets because it got very wet towards the end. The boys, however, needed to try just one more roller coaster, so we're just meeting them in the car. It was a really fun day, right, Anya?
Yep. Super fun.
Yep. And we've been in the car for maybe 7 minutes, 10 minutes, and Emilia is asleep. So that's success.